जेको छे ऐं अंग्रेज़ी में तक़रीर पेश करे।
अऊज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश शैतानिर रजीम। बिस्मिल्लाहिर रहमानिर रहीम। A great morning to honorable teachers, respected guests, and my dear fellows. Assalamu alaikum. This is me Salman from 9th class. Thank you very much. Thank you very much for giving me your valuable time for listening my few lines about humanity and moral values. जिंदगी बेहतर तब होती है जब आप खुश होते हैं। जिंदगी बेहतर तब होती है जब आप खुश होते हैं, लेकिन जिंदगी बेहतरीन तब होती है जब आपकी वजह से लोग खुश होते हैं। My dear listeners, humanity is an important part of life, which tells that to help others, try to understand others and realize the people problems with our own eyes and try to help them. For showing humanity, you do not need to be a rich person. Even a poor person can show humanity by helping someone or sharing them moral values. When you show humanity, you have a feel click or a pinch from your inner soul, which you cannot get from something else. Our religion tells us about humanity, peace and love. That is why no religion is higher than humanity. Once a person decided to hear the voice of Allah and climb the topmost steeple. When he reached at the top, Allah asked him to go down. I live among the people. The best way to find Allah is to serve humanity. So my dear, in these lines there is the moral values that we have to adapt good habits to live bad habits. इंसान के गुरूर की औकात बस इतनी सी है। इंसान के गुरूर की औकात बस इतनी सी है कि न पहली बार खुद से ना सकता है और ना आखिरी बार। Moral values are the basic principles that guide the path and relationships in life. These values makes us a good human being who is able to understand the sufferings of those in need. Moral values are give real meaning and purpose to the life of a person. Finally, I am going to inform you that we can build a strong character by serving humanity. I am going to end my speech by these lines. बेहतरीन इंसान अमल से पहचाना जाता है। बेहतरीन इंसान अमल से पहचाना जाता है, वरना अच्छी बातें तो दीवारों पर भी लिखी होती हैं। थैंक यू फॉर